Hello everyone. In today's class we will discuss quality management or quality assurance and reliability subject question from RTU 2018 from first unit. This is numerical type question. The given question is like that: a machine shop produces steel pins. The width of 100 pins was checked after machining and data was recorded as follows. This data table is given. Width is in mm. This is the data range and this is the frequency, and we have to find out we have to find the arithmetic mean, standard deviation and variance, and second we have to calculate what percentage of the pin manufactured has width of 9.52 to 9.63 mm. So we are going to use this formula in this question. First we have to calculate the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is that is x bar equal to k plus summation fd divided by the n, where n is the sum of the frequencies and k is the assumed mean. Generally we assume mid value of the given data, and we will see next in the question. And d is the x minus k, and second formula we are going to use is z value or the z score, that is equal to x minus x bar divided by the sigma, where sigma is equal to standard deviation, that is equal to under root summation f t square divided by n minus summation f d by n to the power 2 whole square. And next we have to calculate the variance is equal, that is equal to sigma square. So first we prepare this table. This is the start of the solution. So this is given, width is given, this is the width range, and the frequency f is given. So sum of the frequency, that is summation of, is equal to n, that is 100. So first we find the midpoint of this column. So these are the midpoints, and next we calculate the d, that is equal to x minus k. So in this question we assume, or we say that k is equal to 9.565. We can assume whatever the value we want, but here we assume this. You can assume this one also, you can assume this one also, but here we assume this. So our d is equal to x minus k. So this is the value of the d. Now next we calculate the f into d, f multiplied by the d, so we get this value and summation fd. Next we have to calculate f into d square, so we calculate fd square and we get this summation fd square is equal to 0.1016. So first we are going to calculate the arithmetic mean, that is equal to x bar is equal to x plus summation fd divided by the n. X we assume 9.565, summation fd we already calculated in previous table, that is equal to 0.6, and n is equal to summation f or total of the frequency, that is 100. So our arithmetic mean is equal to 9.571 mm. This is our first answer. Second we have to calculate the standard deviation. This is the standard deviation formula, and summation fd square we already calculated in the previous table, so this is equal to 0.1016. summation fd is already calculated 0.6, so our standard deviation is equal to 0.0313 mm. Next this is our second answer. Next we are going to calculate variance, and that is equal to sigma square or standard deviation square. So our variance is equal to 0.00098 mm. Now second we are going to calculate the percentage of the pin manufactured has width between 9.52 to 9.63. For that first we calculate z score at the value of x1, that is 9.52. So z1 is equal to x1 minus x bar divided by the sigma, that is our standard deviation. So we get z1 is equal to minus 1.629. Next we are going to calculate z score at 9.63, that is equal to, we get this value 1.884. Now the probability or the percentage of the manufacturing of the pins whose weight between 9.52 to 9.63, we can write like that. Or in terms of z value, we can also write like that. This is the z value or the z square we calculated here, or we can write like this also. Now from the z table we get the p value or the area. Whatever the source you have, the either you use the internet or the book, you can get this value. This is the value at minus 1.629. From z table we get 0.0516, and at from z table at 1.884 we get the area or the p value is equal to 0.9702. So the total area is equal to 0.9186, or we can also write that 91.86 percentage. So the total percentage of the pins whose weight between 9.52 to 9.63 is equal to 91.86%.